What's going on, Credit Snipers? This is your boy Carlos Vega with the best credit blueprint. Now, guys, today I want to talk to you about the Business Inc. or the Inc. Business Premier card. It was just released yesterday. Actually, I was able to go today, but in order for you to apply, you need to have a business banker. This is a business card, guys. It has a lot of rewards, a lot of perks. So I want to bring to you this review. Stay tuned. Now guys, welcome back. It's your boy Carlos Vega with the best credit blueprint. Now if this is your first time on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all so that you'll be notified for every time that I post a new content. I want you to give me the thumbs up. Just like it. Like and share. Why? Because I want to be able to bring more value not only to you, but to many, many more. Now guys, without further ado, let's move into the review. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so let's see the folio. So this is what it's going to look. There's really no digital print on the web yet. So this will have to suffice for all of you. This is the Business Premier, Inc. Business Premier card. Now some of the benefits will be unlimited 2% cash back on all your purchases. But you also get the 2.5 total cash back purchasing on larger purchases, which will have to be $10,000 and up. So for some of the businesses that do 10,000 of volume or more a month, this definitely is for you. Now you get the 5% total cash back on travel purchases through unlimited rewards. Guys, this sounds to me like a travel card. Just like the Platinum does for purchases that you do, you actually get free flights. You will also get pay in full with powerful spend potential. So the more you spend, the more leverage you have. No foreign transaction, employer cards at no cost. $1,000 back. If you spend $10,000 in the first 3 months, you get $1,000 back. Now, flexible opportunities, limitless opportunities, guys, and you also have a fee, an annual fee of $195, guys. All the ones will be self-encouraged, which, hey, I haven't seen another card like this, and this is amazing for any coverage up to $1,000 with $100 deductible. And some of the protections are where you could build in for fraud protection, zero liability protection. I hope you love this video. I hope they actually help you. I mean, if you're trying to get a business card, this is gonna be one of those that you must have. Now, not only that, this is almost like the American Express of Chase business cards. But I tell you what, if you don't have a business, it is time for you to start one. You want to actually create credit. A business is the way to go. Now guys, we could teach you the best credit blueprint. Do not forget guys, the best credit blueprint. The blueprint was made for me, but I'm actually bringing it to you in order to help you. My goal is to bring your score up all the way to the 800. Why? Because I want you to be part of the club. Do not forget guys, do not forget that we are here to help you. The year's almost over. Start the new year with your right foot. Now, I want you to have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Do not forget, we're posting every single day. Now, if this was your first time on this channel, do not forget to click subscribe. I know you love this video, so like and share. Click on that bell icon and click on all. You know why? Because like that, you'll get notified every time that I post a new content. Guys, give me the thumbs up. Like that, the YouTube gods will help me out to bring this value to many more. Thank you for being here today. Your boy Carlos Estrada, Best Credit Blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.